Here's your Gematria Dominoes manual. On the back, you've got a control chart. This is easy for the child to have photocopied. You can have it laminated, and in that way, they will be able to have it next to them when they are doing the actual drawers. 60 drawers or 60 envelopes containing all the gematrias. So just to show you, it's very simple. You've got about 2 pages of instructions. That's all it is, not that much more than that. And now you've got your certificate where the child will write down his name at the beginning of the book. And here you've got a chart that will, units 1 through 60, where the child will simply check off each time he's finished a whole unit. Over here, you've got your Gematria chart, which we've got on the back. And the vast majority of the entire rest of the manual is simply the answer keys. So when the child has finished laying out the Gematria, he'll open up at unit Aleph over here and check his work. Empty space Zion, that's the first card. Oat matches 7. Hey matches 5. Aleph matches 1. Gimel matches 3, etc. So that's unit Aleph, unit base, all the way through to the end of the manual. Very simple. Enjoy.